What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm down the food aisle right now in Dollar Tree and I'm just noticing lots of name brands. We have the Kingsford Cajun style all-purpose seasoning in spicy Louisiana classic. We also have a Red Lobster signature seafood seasoning. This is definitely brand new. We also have a sriracha salt, all brand new. Hey, I'm not done, you guys. We also have the Kingsford lemon pepper all-purpose seasoning. It says Caribbean citrus with a kick. Yes, you guys, definitely add those to your list if you are in the mood for something new or name brand. We also have the McCormick bacon pieces. This is the Applewood smoked flavor. McCormick, you guys know, always cost a lot more than $1. We have the little sea salts, the natural sea salts in the grinders, as well as the black peppercorns. And up here, we have some larger seasonings, Memphis style barbecue. We have the steakhouse seasoning. We have the garlic and pepper seasoning. And I feel like once I ended my live, I found even more new items to share with you guys. We have a lot of nice new fall items in here. Everything from brand new powdered coffee creamers to sugar-free pumpkin spice flavored syrup. We have, and I'm kind of just cleaning up my display that I made for my live. We have the sugar-free vanilla. We also have the sugar-free salted caramel. We just have a lot of new items in here for fall. We also have these brand new thin shortbread cookies. Where did these go? Okay, down here. And then we have some breakfast sort of bars, fiber bars, the breakfast bars. We have the super delicious, you guys have been telling me these are really, really good, the instant oatmeals that are fall flavored, pumpkin spice, gingerbread. We have, behind me, we have, where did they go? The hot chocolate instant oatmeals. Quick oats, those have been here for a minute. We have a variety of apple sauces if you're in the mood for some applesauce. This is 1 pound, 12 ounces. This is by Betty Crocker. It makes 40 pancakes. We have the bonus peanut butter cookie mix, 20% more. It's 21 ounces. And then these are also brand new. The chocolate syrup, perfect for desserts, ice creams, and drinks. 16 ounces. These have 0 saturated fat. Also the strawberry syrup. Yeah, you guys, we have a lot of new items for fall. We have tons of Betty Crocker mixes, peanut butter, fudge brownie, brittle, chocolate chip, sugar cookie. We have the mug treats. A lot of good items, and we also have some new soups as well. We have the Simply Campbell's chicken noodle soups that are brand new. I want to go down this aisle over here to see what might be new. I think this is my first time seeing English muffins here. They're really fluffy and heavy. We get 6 in a bag. 6 in a bag. We also have the bagels, the hamburger buns, the white bread, the corn tostadas. We have the super delicious pita bread. You guys are gonna love those. If you haven't tried them yet, definitely try them. They're so, so good. I've been on the hunt for chewy sweet tarts lately because someone on TikTok wants me to try to melt chewy sweet tarts, and I haven't been able to find them lately. The Oreos, we have Kind bars. What are these? XL bars, sweet and salty by Nature Valley. I think these are new as well. Chocolate peanut butter protein meal bars with 12 grams of protein. We also have Cliff bars. I was wondering why I was just craving looking at all this food, and then I remembered I only had breakfast and it's like 9 o'clock. Yeah, I've only had breakfast. I actually have a couple yogurts in the car that I grabbed at Aldi, but I basically ran from Aldi over here and started filming, started going live, and kind of forgot to eat. We have a lot of granolas over here. Southern style barbecue black bean snack crisps. Those are definitely new. And also the lightly salted green pea snacks are here. We also have white cheddar. So many new things for fall. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these. The Flips s'mores covered pretzels, no way. And what is this looking like? Here are the nutrition facts. 7 pieces, 140 calories, and 5 grams of saturated fat. A nice variety of Cheez-Its. Hot and spicy, original, cheddar jack, and then we also have the cheese crispers in cheddar and 4 cheese and herb. We have the Good Health organic cheese fries. Mac and cheese flavored organic cheese fries. 2 1/4 ounces. Popcorners, Boom Chicka Pop. Even more smart fries. We have aged white cheddar. This is 2 1/2 ounces. Air popped potato sticks. And then we have classic sea salt. New recipe, gluten-free and non-GMO. Has anyone tried these? The sweet potato chips, 4 ounces in a bag. All of these are sounding really good to me right now. The baked puffs, the cheese fries. I think I might need to get one of those. Yeah, you guys, we have a lot of new items to eat, a lot of new items to drink and to enjoy. Oh, what's this? These are new. Little earbuds cases. Definitely brand new. But okay, you guys, I think that's it for this video. I'm probably gonna film another video down this aisle if I'm finding some new items. I kind of did a quick walkthrough when I first arrived, and I didn't really see too many new items, but I was kind of just doing a quick skim. So we'll see if I film any more in here. I probably will. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I love bringing you along to Dollar Tree. It's always so much fun. I love reading your comments. Thank you for interacting with the video. Thank you guys for commenting and being here every day. I truly appreciate you. But yeah, you guys, on that note, I'm out of here, off to consider whether or not I'm gonna film another video. But thank you guys again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.